Today it is a great occasion for us. We have a very special guest with us, Bishop of Dorking, Bishop Jo, and she is the first female Bishop of Surrey. I welcome Bishop Jo on behalf of all Muslim community. It is our prayer. We are welcoming you here in the mosque, Shahjahan Mosque, and it is first purpose-built mosque of UK.
I'm honoured to be here. Thank you so much for your welcome to the Shahjahan Mosque. I'm so proud to be in a diocese where Muslims and Christians have been living and working alongside each other for many years. I know that you're founder of the Surrey Muslim Association, founding member.
Yeah, that's fine. I would like to add further, it is very important. Now is the time we're living in the world. It is the divisions. There's a lot of divisions. Especially two big religions of the world, Christians and Muslims. We should be together on commonalities, and we should be united for the humanity, and we should put our efforts towards the peace and harmony within the community wherever we live.
Yeah.
So, do you have special message for the peace of the world, for the people?
Well, I think peace of the world begins with local relationships like this, where we know one another and we work together, and in working together we respect one another for our commonalities and for our differences.
Exactly.
So we know what will work and where simply to protect the space in between.
Exactly.
But I can't say enough how much it means to be welcomed here, to be welcomed to your home for lunch, to work with your wife Corsa on Surrey faith initiatives, and that becomes the seedbed for I don't yet know what, but I trust.
Exactly. I will quote an example from the life of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He used to meet and greet himself with the delegations, foreign delegations and people of other religions too. And we follow the footsteps of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as he propagated peace and he was accommodating. And he laid the foundation of interfaith work we see in this perspective. So I will recommend the rest of the vicars, bishops, priests and imams, wherever we live, we should be meeting each other. We should take part actively, interfaith, because wherever we live, for the community, for the two religions, for the people, this step, meetings of the religious leaders, create sort of peace, understanding and friendship. Once again, I will take this opportunity. Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate your hospitality.